Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, today we're working on a 2000 Honda Accord with a F23A. Car wouldn't start. Changed the main relay out. That didn't work. Felt the relay to make sure that it was clicking. It was clicking. Read the codes. Codes were for a transmission. But on closer inspection, the owner said that the starter looked like it was going out, so I investigated that a little bit closer. And what I found was the signal wire for the distributor, which is right there, was disconnected. So I apologize that it's low light, but right down there near the starter, it gets connected to a blade, and once we connected that, it fired right up. So if you guys are experiencing a no start on your Honda Accord F23, see if this wire is disconnected. So it's right there, and all we did was hook it back up and the car fired right up. So just make sure that that wire is put on if you experience a no start. So I started at the main relay, read the codes. It was for transmission, and then on closer inspection found this lead, the signal wire to the distributor. It actually goes right there. So go ahead, put that thing back on, and you'll be ready to rock and roll. If you found any of my videos helpful, please subscribe. Questions, comments, concerns, you can email me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.